Hello everybody, I'm coming back with you with a wonderful and another great price build list. This is on the Intel G6400, 4 gigahertz, 2 cores, 4 threads on 32 gigabyte RAM dual kit, 1 terabyte hard drive, and onboard graphics HD 610. This is a great build. This is a wonderful build. This build will only be used for regular PC use, such as streaming, Hulu, Netflix, Spotify, Adobe Photoshop. If you're into photography, you can go ahead and render your photography photos in there, do your thing, home business, home office, etc. If you want to do your schooling at home, you don't want to be around people with this COVID-19 nonsense going on. You could go ahead and stay home in the comfort in your room, privacy. You could go ahead on and do your thing. If you want to go ahead and get into some severe, heavy stuff such as streaming, gaming, etc., just go ahead and switch out the CPU to a more 6 cores, 12 threads, or 8 cores, 16 threads processor, and go ahead and put you a nice good monster 8 gigabyte plus graphic card, RTX 3000 series. Later on down the line, if you want to upgrade this computer, but this is a great startup PC for basic use only. Let's go ahead and get right into the build. And all the parts are coming from Amazon.com. Let's get right into it. We're starting off with TeamGroup Elite DDR4, 32 gigabyte dual kit, 16 gigabyte of RAM, coming in at 2400 megahertz at 9449. The Thermaltake TT eSport Commander Blue gaming keyboard at $29.99, teaming up with the Uphere 5-pack RGB fan adjustable colorful fans with controller and remote, $34.99. That will be powered by the EVGA 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply, $49.99. And moving right along with the case is going to be holding all this good stuff in is the Silverstone Tech Micro-ATX glass computer case, model number PS15B-G6171, teaming it with the storage. The old school power bumps is still going strong as the Western Digital SSD 500 gigabyte Western Digital Blue NAND internal SSD, $53.99. I am teaming up with the Western Digital SN 550 NVMe internal SSD M.2 2280, coming in at a wonderful 500 gigabyte, $50.99. Holding it down will be the Asus Prime H410M-E LGA 1200 Intel 10th Gen Micro-ATX motherboard with HDMI, etc. M.2 support, $79.99. Holding it down, base starter CPU, Intel Pentium Gold G6400, 2 cores, 4 threads, base 4.0 gigahertz, 58 watt TDP design at $79.46. Gonna go ahead and keep this baby cool, keep this baby thumping. It's a Phanteks Slim low profile heatsink CPU cooler, PHTC12LS at $49.99. This is my $590 build. The grand total of this build is $585.59, keeping it well under the $590 price mark. So you can't go wrong with this build. Just like I said, this build is for basic use only. This is a starter PC, so you can't go wrong with it. If you want to make changes down the line, you can go ahead on and up the GPU. And the memory is already set at max 32 gigs, so, and just add a graphic card to it. Once again, I'd like to love my subscribers. Go ahead and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. and peace.